Hi everyone, welcome to FoodyVibes. Today we are making one of the very best creamy and easiest butter chicken recipe. First we'll slice the onions and dice the tomatoes that we'll use for the gravy. I am also grating some garlic and ginger that will be used in the marination process. Here I have around 1.25 pounds of chicken which I have cut into pieces. To that we'll add some salt, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, some yogurt, little bit of oil, finally the ginger and garlic paste. Mix well and add some lemon juice. Mix again and let rest for at least an hour. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the gravy. In a pan, pour around 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the sliced onions. Let's saute for a minute. Then add the garlic cloves. Let's saute again for 2 minutes. Then add the cashews. Keep mixing until the onions become translucent like this and finally add the diced tomatoes. Give a good mix and let cook on medium flame until all softens. Switch off and let it cool down a bit and then blend the mixture into a paste. Continue with the chicken. In a grilling pan, we'll add the chicken and let it cook. As you can see, it is starting releasing a bit of liquid due to the yogurt. Let all dries out until we get a nice and charred colored chicken. Meanwhile, in the pan that we cooked the gravy, melt some butter and add some garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, some salt and some Kashmiri red chili powder. Give a good mix and let it cook until all flavor blend together for 2 minutes. Then add the gravy that we have blended. Mix well. Drizzle some oil. Cover and let it simmer for 6 minutes. As you can see that the chicken are completely grilled. Now to get the tandoor grilled flavor, set a bowl in the middle of the chicken and set some smoking charcoal into the bowls and sprinkle some oil on top of the charcoals. Cover as soon with the lid and allow the smoke to flavor the chicken. Let it rest for at least 5 minutes. Continue with the gravy. As you can see, the gravy has been perfectly cooked here as it is releasing the oil. Now we'll add the smoky grilled chicken. Mix well and let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes until the sauce starting to thicken more and the chicken is completely immersed and cooked perfectly. Finally, we add some cooking liquid cream and some dry fenugreek leaves, which is very important in this recipe to boost up the flavors. Mix well and let it cook for 2 more minutes and we are done. This is my version of butter chicken, so rich, creamy and flavorful, so easy to make, with a tender charred smoky chicken that will amaze everyone. Hope you have enjoyed my video. Please share, like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.